Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're anything like me, you know that finding the perfect curling tool can be a game changer in your styling routine. Let's cut to the chase. We're looking at the Chai Spin Curl, a tool that promises flawless curls and waves without all the fuss. This isn't just a curling iron, it's a smart, innovative design that draws your hair in and spins it into a perfectly timed curl, creating results that shine, literally. The Chai Spin and Curl comes equipped with preset temperature settings for different hair textures, so whether you have fine, medium, or thick hair, you're covered. It's designed to ensure minimal heat damage while delivering maximum results. Now the real question is, does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First off, the key feature of this tool is its curl chamber. The concept behind this is pretty cool. It automatically draws your hair into the chamber where it gets heated and timed. No more manually twisting and holding your hair in place for what feels like an eternity. Just insert a section of hair, press a button, and let the magic happen. The temperature control is digital, making it easy to select the right level of heat for your hair type. What I really appreciate is the attention to detail here. Chai has provided preset settings for fine, medium, and coarse hair. If you've ever had the nightmare of burning your hair or not being able to curl your stubborn strands, you'll appreciate how these presets help prevent that. It's clear that Chai understands hair care. This is a curling iron that prioritizes healthy styling. Now on to my real-world testing. I have to admit I was a bit skeptical about the whole spin and curl thing, but once I tried it, I was hooked. The tool is super easy to use, and the non-slip handle gives you great control. I could style my hair quickly, and the results were surprisingly long-lasting. The curls were shiny, bouncy, and smooth, thanks to the titanium-infused ceramic plates, which reduce frizz and give that glossy finish. One thing to keep in mind is the size of the sections you need to curl, around 1/4 to 1 inch. If you try to insert more than that, you risk a tangle, which can be a little annoying. But once you get the hang of it, the process is quick and easy. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the pro side, it's really hard to ignore the convenience factor here. The spinning mechanism takes out the guesswork and ensures consistent results. The adjustable temperature control is a huge plus for different hair textures, and the ceramic plates do an excellent job at adding shine while keeping the heat at a safe level. The design is sleek, and the tool is surprisingly lightweight for its size. On the flip side, the size might be a downside for some. The barrel isn't the longest, so it might not be ideal for those with really long hair who prefer a longer curling iron. Also, the spinning feature does take a little getting used to, so if you're someone who loves more traditional curling methods, it could take a bit of practice. In terms of value for money, this tool is definitely on the higher end. But when you consider the technology, design, and ease of use, it's worth it, especially if you're looking for a product that offers both healthy styling and beautiful curls. Plus, it's backed by the Chai reputation, which has been a go-to in the beauty industry for years. Let's talk about alternatives for a minute. If you're on a tighter budget, there are some more affordable options that can deliver similar results, though they may not have all the bells and whistles that the Chai Spin and Curl does. Products from brands like Conair and Revlon offer great curlers for a fraction of the price, but you might miss out on the precision and convenience this tool offers. As for the build quality, the Chai Spin and Curl feels solid, yet it's still lightweight enough for prolonged use. The barrel and the housing are well made, and there's no flimsy feel when you're styling. As for longevity, based on my experience, this tool is built to last, with sturdy components that will survive the test of time, assuming normal care. Customer service-wise, Chai has a strong reputation in the beauty community. While I didn't need to reach out personally, the brand is known for its responsive and helpful customer support, which is a nice added layer of peace of mind. As we wrap things up, here's the final verdict. The Chai Spin and Curl is an innovative, efficient curling iron that delivers on its promises. If you're looking for a styling tool that minimizes heat damage while offering smooth, shiny curls, this one definitely fits the bill. While it might not be for everyone, especially if you're used to traditional curling irons, the results speak for themselves. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried the chai spin and curl, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Stay beautiful inside and out.